लास्ट सेशन ની અંદર આપણે ગ્રેચ્યુઇટી એના ફર્સ્ટ ટુ એક્ઝામ્પલ કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરેલા હતા. નાઉ એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 3, that is 26A of your book. Mr. Saurav retired from his job after 29 years and 6 months and 15 days of service on 17/12/2019 and received gratuity amounting rupees 4 lakh. His basic salary as at the time of retirement was 6,000 per month. Dearness allowance is 1,800 per month. Commission on turnover is 1%. He got an annual increment of 1 for 2019, that is 1,000 per month in basic salary. Turnover achieved by him is 1 lakh per month. Calculate his taxable gratuity for assessment year 2020-21 if he is a government employee. Second, non-government employee covered under the Gratuity Act 1972. First answer, if he is government employee. If he is government employee. Gratuity received by government employee is fully exempted. So, total amount received by him as a gratuity is exempted from tax. So, rupees actual received by him is 4 lakhs is totally exempted. Second, if he is non-government employee, payment of gratuity covered under Payment of Gratuity Act 1972. He is non-government employee. Payment of Gratuity Act covered under 1972. First of all, retired on. He retired on 17/12/2019. Service year is 29 years 6 months. 29 years and 6 months. Here Gratuity Act 1972 મુજબ પેમેન્ટ થાય છે, એટલે 6 કે એના કરતાં વધારે મંથ હોય તો નેક્સ્ટ યરમાં રાઉન્ડિંગ થશે, એટલે 30 years. લાસ્ટ સેલેરી, that is basic plus DA. Last salary, that is basic plus DA. Basic salary received by him is 6,000 per month plus dearness allowance received by him 1,800 per month. 6,000 plus 1,800, that is 7,800. 7,800. Here કવર્ડ અંડર ગ્રેચ્યુટી એક્ટ એની અંદર કમિશન કન્સિડર થાય નહીં. નોન કવર અંડર ગ્રેચ્યુટી એક્ટ મુજબ જ્યારે પેમેન્ટ થતું હોય ગ્રેચ્યુટીનું ત્યારે કમિશનની અમાઉન્ટ કન્સિડર કરવાની, એટલે કમિશન અહીંયા કન્સિડર થશે નહીં. નાઉ મિનિમમ of following is exempted. First condition, actual gratuity received, that is 4 lakhs. That is 4 lakhs. Second, last salary multiplied by 15/26 multiplied by service years. Last salary 7,800, 15/26, service year 30 years. 7,800 multiplied by 30 multiplied by 15/26, 1,35,000. Third, maximum rupees 20 lakhs. Out of these three, minimum is exempted, so exempted is 1,35,000. So taxable is equal to actual received minus exempted. Actual received by him is 4 lakhs. Exempted 1,35,000. 4 lakh minus 1,35,000, that is 2,65,000 is taxable gratuity, and 1,35,000 is exempted gratuity. So if he is government employee, then 0 is taxable, total 4 lakh is exempted. If he is non-government employee and payment of gratuity is under Gratuity Act, then 1,35,000 is exempted and 2,65,000 is taxable. So this is your answer. Next, last of gratuity, that is example number 4, that is 34A of your book. 34A. Abhinav retired on 28/2020 from Binda Limited. He is after completing 30 years and 11 months service. 28/2020 ના રિટાયર થાય છે. He received 4,43,820 as a gratuity. He was receiving 400 as a increment from 1st January every year. He received 25% of basic salary as a dearness allowance. For the calculation of retirement benefit, percentage of dearness was considered. 60% of dearness allowance was considered. This is 60%. He was on leave with half pay including dearness allowance for the period from 1/9/2019 to 31/12/2019. This is very important for us. He received 4,100 as a dearness allowance for the month January 20. Find out taxable gratuity for assessment year. First of all, we have to find out basic salary, and basic salary we get from here, dearness allowance. The rate of dearness allowance is 25%. January 20 he received DA rupees 4,100. Rate of dearness allowance is 25%. Percentage amount જ્યારે 25% રેટ હોય ત્યારે ડીએ કેટલું મળે છે? 4100. તો 100% કેટલા? ત્રિરાશી મૂકશે 4100 multiplied by 100 divided by 25, that is 1,64,000. 4100 multiplied by 100 divided by 25, 16,400. This is basic salary of January 20. Now it is given that he is private employee. It is not given that the payment is under gratuity act. So આપણે not covered under gratuity act મુજબ આપણે એની કેલ્ક્યુલેશન કરવાની થશે. First of all, he retired on 28/20. 28/2/20. Okay. Now, after completing service of 30 years and 11 month service year, 30 year and 11 month, but here fraction year is not considered, so service year is 30 years. First of all, we have to find out last 10 month average salary. Last 10 month. He retired on February 28, that is February is completed. Serial number, month, salary, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. He retired on February, that is February 20, January 20, December 20, November 20, October 20, September 20, August 20, July 20, June 20, May 20 and April 20. Okay. In the month of January 20, his basic salary is, in the month of January 20, his basic salary is 16,400. His basic salary is 16,400. January 16,400. So February also 16,400. He received an annual increment, that is rupees 400 in each January. So before January his basic salary is 1600. October 1600, September 1600, August 1600, July 1600, June 1600, May 1600. But it is given that from 1/9/2019 to 31st December 2019 he is on leave with half pay from September to December. His monthly salary is half, that is 8,000. So this 8,000 multiplied by 4, that is 32,000. 16,400 multiplied by 2, that is 32,800, and last 16,000 multiplied by 4, 16,000 multiplied by 4, that is 64,000. 64 plus 32 plus 32,800, that is 1,28,800. This is total basic salary plus DA. He received DA 25% of basic. Out of 60% is considered for retirement benefit. 1,28,800 and a 60% and a 25%. Multiplied by 60% multiplied by 25%. 19320. Total 128,800. That is 1,48,120. This is last 10 months salary. Last 10 months salary. Now, last 10 month average salary. Is equal to total divided by 10. 148,120 divided by 10, 148,120. Okay. Minimum of following is exempted. First, actual gratuity received by him. Actual gratuity received by him is 4,43,820. 443,820. Second, last 10 months average salary multiplied by 1/2 multiplied by service years. Last 10 month average salary 14812. 14812 multiplied by 1/2 multiplied by service year 30. 14812 multiplied by 30 divided by 2. It is 222,180. 2,22,180. Third, maximum rupees 20 lakhs. Out of these three, minimum is exempted. So exempted is 2,22,180. This is exempted. So taxable is equal to actual received minus exempted. Actual received by him 4,43,820 minus 2,22,180. So 4,43,820 minus 2,22,180. So 2,21,640 is taxable. So exempted gratuity is 2,22,180 and taxable gratuity is 2,21,640. This is your answer. Here our gratuity is completed. In next session we will start our next topic, that is pension. Thank you.